Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you guys are here. Today we are going to take a second and we are going to try to get into this Wii Vision FG, and we are going to attempt to do a skiff bearing upgrade. Don't know how it's going to come apart, but we're going to try it together. First thing I want to do is do a quick shout out and thank you to the channel members. Thank you all. And a quick shout out and thank you for just anybody who comes in, checks out my knife, my EDC content. I hope you find it good enough to where you're inclined to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be notified when I release new content and get in on live streams and the like. So let's just start with this side. Why not? First off, I'm hoping the bearings are easy to access. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Put that down there. Take that out of there. See what that gives us. 1/16, 5 millimeter. I think our trickiest part is going to be to get our lock bar back in. We'll see how that works out for us. Let's see here, guys. Let's get us one little cleaning cloth. If we can separate one. And then we'll get a little squirt. And we will clean our blade. Any smuts off it. Let's see what we got here. We'll take this one right there. Take this one right there. Like so. Alright, just a little lube on the bearing here. And then we will set our washer on top. God damn it. Fuck. All right, guys, that is the Wii Vision R skiffed up. We have replaced our Wii bearings with our skiff bearings, added a little oil, got it back together. Sorry I was quiet there for a second. I was just making sure that my spring went in right, which it did. Knocked my lock stick over. But that is the Wii Vision R. and we have skiffed it up, taken it apart. Guys, I appreciate you all more than you know. I appreciate you watching the videos. I appreciate you hanging out with me. All I ask is if you would please keep an eye out on the gal and the girl to your left. Keep an eye out for the gal and the girl on your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And please, choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.